Mr. Walter, how to the Yes, Mr. Walter, how to your relationship in between Germany and Pakistan, and in Koita, how do you improve the relationship between Germany and Pakistan?
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank everybody that has been here today, especially Murad, the Honorary Council of Germany here in Quetta, for having me and for such a warm welcome. This is my first visit to Quetta. I've arrived this morning, and so far it's been a very pleasant experience. I've been welcomed with open arms, and we had very productive meetings so far, and I'm sure this will continue over the next couple of days while I'm still here. You asked me about the relationship between Germany and Pakistan. We, as the German Chambers of Industry and Commerce Abroad, are here to foster, enhance, and build on the great relationship, especially economic-wise, that we already share. I said that Germany and Pakistan share a history of friendship for more than 70 years already, and strong international relations are usually built on the economic relations that they share. And we, as the German Chambers of Industry and Commerce, and me being the Pakistan representative, are here to establish, to enhance, and to build upon those ties, and with the economic ties foster also the friendship ties that we share. So we do that through enhancing the trade relationship, but also bringing German investors to Pakistan.
Sir, you mentioned that Bluchistan has great potential. So which sectors do you think should be prioritized for investment?
Today we had a lot of interesting discussions about which sectors hold the most potential in Baloochistan. Several sectors were highlighted. To name just a few, the mining sector is highly relevant in Baloochistan. And then we also talked about the medical sector. We talked about agriculture, which is in generally in Pakistan a highly important sector. And then we also talked about education, which is as important as healthcare when we talk about the basic needs that need to be provided, and what Germany and German companies, the German economy, can play of a role in those industries. So if you want me to highlight few, it's definitely energy, mining, education, and agriculture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.